Hey everyone, AMG SMG here, working on my Bose QC35s. The first version, the home button messed up. It wasn't turning on and off the headphones. So just quick on how to fix that. Take off your cushion. Some people take this off, but you don't need to take this off. All you gotta do is bend it forward. Take off the screw that's right there. You see the hole? There needs to be a screw there. And then that's at the bottom. At the top, peel that up. You see there's a screw right there. And there's one more screw right over there. Take those screws off. Pull back on the back plate. You see there's a little glue, so you might have to force it off. And you get this. See this piece right here? It was broken. You see I glued it back together. And I'm gonna wrap a wire around it now that I took off. This thing that you use to close a bag. I'm gonna wrap it around it so it's nice and tight and it doesn't break again. And then just put it back together. As you can see, I glued it back together and I put that on it. Hope that sits flat. Then I'll put it back on. So I'll put it back on, as you can see. Turn on, turn off. Put the cover back on. Oh, and I put the power button on upside down. Give me a second. Put it on. Put that back on. So currently it's off. I'll turn it back on. Let's see if I hear it. Yep, it's working fine now. You can see. Off. And on. Off. Cool. Just put the screws back on and you're good to go again. Just a quick little fix. Hope this helps y'all.